Alright, so I have another pair. This is from Sam Edelman. It's the same as the beige colored ones that I tried on, but I needed a black pair, so I got them in black also. But of course I feel like it's going to fit the same as the other ones did, but let's try it on anyway. So this is the packaging. Shoe, so you see it's the same, and let's try it on. Got a lot of sticky birdies. It's grass. Okay. It's a nice pump, you know. It doesn't disappoint as far as the look goes. Very nice, but I just don't think it's going to work out. I feel like it's going to slide off my feet like the other ones do. So there's the shoe. Very nice. Very sexy. Okay. They actually feel good. They have a different fit. How could that be? Let me see. Maybe I just need to walk a little further and see, because just walking in this one little circle. Let's see. Nope, there it is, sliding off. Slides off. So it only happens on my... Yeah. Stays on the left, but that right one, it just wants to slide on. So, you see it does it on here. But I have to kind of like make it come out. See, I just have to make it come out on this one. It's not doing it. But on this one, it just, so I can't keep them. But I mean, other than that, that's even the toe. I mean, I can deal with the toe. I can deal with the toe. It's not bad. It's the ankle, coming off the ankle, that's going to be a problem. So, and I believe the 8 will be too small, 8.5. This is a 9. 8.5 will be too small. So they have to go back. And that's that. See you next time.